Everybody Needs a Rock is a geology lesson where we learn about the different layers of the earth. We learn about plate tectonics.
We also focus on how the crust of our earth is made up of different plate boundaries and how those move and the different movements of plate boundaries, for example, converging or diverging plates.
We read a really sweet story called Everybody Needs a Rock, which opens up the kids' eyes to what being a geologist is and how they can study their own rocks.
The importance of this lesson is just to get kids familiar with geologic features, especially in a desert environment where they might be surrounded by mountains or buttes. It's cool to know how those things formed over time.